Alright, what's up everybody, man? Welcome back to the channel. Back with another video. This is going to be a real quick video. It's kind of like a rant in a way. I've been doing this since I started driving. Like literally since I was 15 years old. You always need to reverse in. Always reverse in. And I want to explain why. And I want to give another video as well. The only time you should pull in forward is when the parking lot is like slanted. When you pull in, it's going to be like in a repeat session right here, but when you reverse in, you block all traffic. You block all traffic from going from east to west. So you never have to worry about reversing, or when you pull in forward, you got to worry about reversing backwards, hitting somebody, watching out for pedestrians. Whether you got all the latest tech possible, you still can hit somebody, you still can get hit from the back, or get your bumper hit and things of that nature. So the reason why, this is a good video right here. I just recorded a screen recording. Somebody did this on YouTube Shorts. See this part right here? You're blocking traffic. You're blocking the traffic. They have to wait on you because you're reversing your vehicle. They have to wait on you. The key point is they have to wait on you because you're reversing your vehicle. Now I'm just giving y'all examples on my dash cam as well. You have to wait on me before you can go by. You're not going to hit my car. So if I'm pulling, I'm gonna have to get some more videos. But if I pull in forward, I'm trying to reverse out because I'm about to leave and go home or whatever. Now I have to struggle to look back to make sure I'm not hitting anybody. Depend on my technology and things of that nature. Instead of me just pulling in backwards, stopping all traffic, and then when I get to pull out, I don't have to worry about that stuff. So look at this right here. This is a prime example right here. So this is my pet peeve. This is my pet peeve. You see, I had adjusted my camera. If you got an Avalon, you can adjust the camera. It has two different kind of angles. It has like a wider view, and then it has like a close view. So this is why I parked in bad. But this is a perfect example. See how that car had to wait, and now it gets to go by? And if I'm pulling in forward, and then I have to reverse out because I'm leaving to go home, guess what? Now I have to look back, awkwardly look back, make sure I don't hit a pedestrian, make sure no car is about to hit my rear bumper. A lot of people get in accidents because they park in forward. It's really a lazy way to park. It doesn't take any skill, really. Like I say, I've been doing this since I was 15 years old. That was always my mindset. My mindset also is like, okay, let's say someone's shooting up the place. I can pull out real quick. I don't have to reverse. Because you think about it, you're doing more work. You have to reverse. When you pull in forward, you got to reverse, then pull it in drive. When you pull in reverse, every time you get in a parking spot, in a spot like this, you reverse, you swing it around, you reverse, and that's it. You swing it around and you reverse and that's it. If you pull in forward, guess what you have to do? You have to pull in forward, right? You reverse and then you put it in drive. So right here is another example. The same video is repeating the footage. You reverse and that's it. And when you're ready to leave, you get in the car, you put it in drive. That's it. You don't have to reverse, put it back in drive. You just put it in drive. That's it. And when you're pulling in reverse, you have a clear view of everything. So if a car is coming, guess what? You can see that car before you get hit. A lot of times I'll see a lot of videos on the internet is people getting hit on their rear end because they're pulling in forward instead of reversing in. It's a much easier escape, in other words. This is a good example right here. The guy's pulling in forward. Once again, he's blocking traffic. Not intentionally trying to block traffic, but as in, okay, I got to reverse. I'm blocking traffic both ways. If there was two cars coming each way, guess what? They both got to stop. They both gotta stop. So once again, one more example. I'm pulling in, you just swing in. That's simple, no matter whether you got an SUV truck, and you reverse in. Once you do it about 4 or 5 times, you get used to it. But like I say, I've been doing this since I was 15 years old. And guess what? Look at the view I got. I have nothing but view. I have nothing but view. I can see everything in front of me. So when I get back in my car from the store, I just put it in drive and that's it. I can see everything. If a car's coming to the left or to the right, I can see it. I'm not looking behind me because you got to look behind yourself. If you're pulling in reverse, you're already set to go. You're straight. You're literally straight away. There's no looking back or anything like that. You can see every pedestrian. You can see every car. Once again, this is a prime example. Look at the red car. He has to wait. I didn't realize that. He has to wait because he's waiting on the Infiniti to go. Because I'm pulling in reverse. It's that simple. But that's my rant. Always pull in reverse. It's easier, and it makes your life easier. That's it. Okay, this is going to be very brief. This is only time you should pull in forward when you have a angled spot. So the video finna come up here in a second. It wouldn't make sense for you to reverse into an angled spot because it's an angled spot. You'll look really stupid reversing into an angled spot. The only time you can pull in forward in an angled spot is if there's a car that's not in that space. So like it's a Walmart here in Oklahoma. It's all like slanted parking. I think maybe most Walmarts like that, but this is an example. So if there's a car, another spot in front of this car that's about to pull in, that's the only time that you can pull in forward. Other than that, you will look stupid. This is the only exception to pulling forward because reversing is very simple. You have a better angle at everything because you can see things better. But when you're just straight forward, it just makes no sense.
It was hard for me.